Hello traders and welcome to the market opening preview December 22nd, 2014. Great to be with you. This is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders, I'm coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand, where it is quite nippy out there. I have to tell you, actually it's like almost jacket weather. There'll be no shorts today, but I will tell you we got bright blue sunny skies and white sandy beaches and not too many people walking around today, my friends. All right, as we get into our short week, first one of our 2 weeks in the holiday season, let's get started and let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday. I'm your moderator through the market opening preview series, and we do this every single day before the London Open. Traders, I started trading in 2006 and 2008. I retired from a wonderful 27-year career in the public safety department out of the great state of Florida. 9 days later, got on the big bird and came to Thailand for a 3-month holiday to celebrate my retirement. Well, traders, it's 2014 and I'm still here. Just absolutely loving life in the wild kingdom. All right. Traders, I do trade Forex every single trading day. I am in the markets every day. I'm watching, I'm listening. I always listening to fundamentals, watching price action, trying to find opportunities to get into the market. All right, let's take a look at the legal stuff. This is our risk disclaimer. Forex trading has a large potential of rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risk and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex market. Most of all, traders, please do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Always remember that past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. All right, let's get over to the news and commentary. We'll start off with the news. The New York Stock Exchange really bolstered on Friday, actually taking out all its losses. It had a horrible week. So the Dow 30 is up 0.15%, the S&P 500 is up 0.46%, and the NASDAQ is up 0.36%, with the Russell 2000 up 0.32%. Let's head over to the Eurozone, and the DAX is negative 0.25%, with the FTSE in the green at 1.23%. And the CAC 40 barely negative at 0.18%. The Eurostoxx 50 is negative 0.53%. Traders, let's come over to my side of the world into Asia, and let's take a look at markets that are currently trading at. The Nikkei 225 is down 0.16%, with the S&P ASX 200 out of Sydney is up 1.49%, with the Shanghai is up 1.92%, and the Hang Seng is up 1.38%, and ending this one with the Kospi up 0.34%. So everything but the Nikkei is in the green, and I have to say they're in the green quite well. I mean, they're not just barely in the green, they're in the green. All right, let's talk about data. We did have some New Zealand data as soon as the markets opened today. Nothing big deal, no movement reaction as far as that goes. Traders, we only have one high impact news event, and that is existing home sales in the New York session, and that is it. There is nothing going on in the London session. We don't even have a moderate news event. Everything is low impact. There's really nothing going on news-wise until New York. Commentary today is happy holidays and trade a demo account. I just cannot push hard enough, and I'm going to say it every day, trade a demo account. Please do not trade your hard-earned equity in markets with this low volatility. Traders, I am telling you, the big guys, the money movers, the money makers, the money shakers, however you want to say it, are done. They've already got their Christmas bonus. They are finished. They are done. They go to their office, 15 minutes, they take a 5-hour lunch, come back to the office, 15 minutes, and they're out of there. The year is over. So please make sure you are trading a demo account. You will get whipsawed. You will get knocked all over the place, especially if you're using lower time frames such as the 5-minute, the 15-minute, the 30-minute. Anything above that, you really don't even have a chance there. The 1 hour I would put in that category, unless you're trading daily charts. I wouldn't even think about trading a live account at this time. We will start trading a live account once January 5th, which is a Monday, after the New Year holiday, and the markets will be back at full strength. That is my commentary for today, and let's head over to the 60-minute Forex charts. And as usual, we are going to head over to the euro dollar. Euro dollar, look at this, was in a strong range there on Friday, Thursday and Friday, and then the dollar, something happened in New York, and the markets went like happy, and just made a nice drop. Now we're at support. You can see these tiny little candles. There's indecision candles here. There's nothing to do. I don't think we're going to get a pullback. In fact, I don't even think we're going to break support. There's nothing to move the markets. There's no news coming out till New York. And existing home sales, I don't know if that's going to move the market or not. Volatility is so low in the markets at this time. Just be very, very careful. If it does break support and you want to take this to the downside, make sure you get a retest. And again, I urge you to use a demo account. All right, let's look at the pound dollar. The pound dollar is basically in the same situation. Look at how it hugged that 200 exponential moving average. Remember, I talked about this last week where look at those wicks. Those wicks are little thrusters, and those little thrusters tell you that the market is coming back down. When I took the slide, and the slide's about an hour and a half old now, so it's only 2 candles back. So you can see Asia opened up, and it gave us 2 red candles, and then we are into the Asian market. So you can see the New York bump up, and then, you can see the New York bump down, and then you can see Asia has taken it up a little bit, but now it's coming back down already. So we're at this trend line, and this trend line is a 4-touch trend line, 3-touch trend line, and it's a valid trend line. If you're going to take the trade, you basically want to take this trade after it breaks the trend line and see if you can grab your pips. I would just scalp this. I would stick your stop right above that, what I would call a doji with that big wick there. I would stick my stop right there. I don't think you have to stick it all the way up there with the 200 exponential moving average, but you definitely want to be short in this trade. All right, let's take a look at the Aussie dollar. The Aussie dollar, it's an ugly looking chart at the moment. It's now riding, this is a 4-touch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touch trend line. It's bounced off it already twice since I've taken this slide, as you can see. So we want to take this to the downside. The problem here is if you take it to the downside here, look at, you have support at 0.8118. So not a very good trading opportunity here. You'd like to see this really pop back up another 10, 15 pips. So if you get down in that support area, at least you get maybe 15 pips in profit and scalp this a little bit. But just be really careful. Again, please use a demo account. The Aussie's not doing anything. It's in a nasty range. There's nothing to do here. Just leave it alone. Don't even think about trading it. It's just, there's nothing here, folks. This is one thing I hate about the holiday season. You know, it's nice to have the holiday season, but unfortunately we end up with almost 2 weeks of not trading live accounts because of price action that you're looking at here on the Euro Aussie. It's just a horrible chart. Why would you want to trade this? You're just going to get yourself in trouble. All right, let's head over to the Euro Yen. Here's a Euro Yen. This came up to that 200 exponential moving average, really nice. And then in the New York session, you can see it really dumped, and then it's gone sideways since Asia's opened. And again, it's on this trend line. It's really a 2-touch trend line. That first spike really didn't touch the trend line. Close enough for me, though. If you're going to trade it, you want it to go below that trend line. We want to short this, and we'll see what happens. I don't want to do anything with the Euro Yen, to be honest with you. I'm not sure what's going on. I have to be honest with you, I did not look at the daily chart today before I made the video, so I don't know what the daily chart looks like, but I would expect it's probably a red candle, and I think that would be our 4th red candle in a row. So we'll have to see what happens, but with this volatility, I'm staying away from the Euro Yen. I'm staying away from everything. I'm not doing anything. I'm going to play around on demo charts, which I don't do as a norm. I don't trade demo charts. All right, let's go over to the New Zealand dollar. The New Zealand dollar has broken out as I was preparing this video, and I have no idea why. There was no news, there was no data, and this thing just popped to the downside. This is what I'm talking about. This is typical holiday season price action. There's no reason for that big red candle. None. There was no news, there was no data, there was no data in the Asia session, and here you go. All of a sudden you end up with a big candle. You look like you're 15 pips in profit, and within an hour you come back to your charts and you're negative or stopped out. This is why we don't trade live accounts during the holiday season. We play with demo accounts and maybe come up with some new strategies. Alrighty, those are our 6 currency pairs, my friends. On behalf of myself, William Gilday, and our great friends at FXCL Excellence in Trading, I'd like to thank you for being with us today. It's been wonderful, and we have tomorrow, we will be back. We will have the market opening preview series tomorrow, and then we are off until the following Monday, and we'll be in Monday, Tuesday, and then we are off till January 5th. So we're only trading and being videos 2 days for the next 2 weeks until January 5th, and we'll be back to full strength, hopefully in markets, and hopefully doing our videos. All right, traders, thanks again. Coming to you from sunny, cold Pattaya, Thailand. Traders, have a great trading day, and like I said, please trade a demo account. Remember to trade smart and not hard. Take care, traders. We'll see you tomorrow. See you now. Bye-bye.